Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. In this video, I'll show you how to disable geolocation on your web browser in your PC. It's very simple and easy. Now let's start. First, open web browser on your PC. Then go to the top right corner and click on C bar menu. Now at the bottom, you find settings option. Click on this. Now go to the left side and then click on privacy and security. Now at the middle you can find site and shell settings. Click on this. Now under the permission tab you can see location option. Again click on this. Here you can see the default behavior settings. There are two main settings. One is site can ask your location. That means all sites can ask your location. Another is don't allow site to see your location. To disable geolocation, select on this. Don't allow sites to see your location. That's it for now. I hope you enjoy this tutorial. If you enjoy this, please like this and also as well as subscribe our channel for more interesting tech tutorials like this. Thank you.